Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to change the charging limit on your iPhone on iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments. And friends, we're going to get into this topic and I'm going to show you everything in detail. So friends, what is a charging limit anyway? It is a limit through which you can set the maximum that your device can charge. And with this limit, your iPhone battery will last longer. And to find this charging limit, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. Next, select Battery. And then you will need to click on this option here to go to Settings and Battery Health. Alternatively, you will only need to find an option called Charging. Next, you'll most likely see a percentage scale on your device, which you can drag either right or left to decrease or increase the charging limit of your iPhone. By standard, I recommend setting the charging limit to 80%. But if you want to set a higher charging limit, like 95 to 100%, in this case, you will additionally enable another feature called battery optimization. This is what it looks like. With this option, your battery will learn to save charge on high charges. And because of this, it will learn to use up less energy so that the battery lasts longer. Friends, this is the way you can easily find and change to your desired charging limit on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful to you friends and helped you. Please don't forget to write your comments, put likes, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.